How to change name on Payoneer. So if you want to change the name that is associated with your Payoneer account, just log into your account right here and then in the top right click on this icon and click on Settings and click on Profile Settings. Then right here you get three options and you want to click on Name and Email and then click on Edit right here. Then here you can see your full name and under that you can see Request Name Change. Click on the Request Name Change, then give the reason why you want to change to your name and click on Submit, and now you can see the name change request has been submitted, and then they will review it and you may need to show supporting documentation in the verification center. So that's how you can change your Payoneer account name. Thanks for watching.